Hey friends, just like yesterday, today we're going to take a look at, and we're going to get into our ConnectEd, click on our Everyday Math tab, and go to the ETool Kit instead of the Student Reference Book. When you first click the ETool Kit, it looks like a big blank white page. But down here in the left-hand corner, you're going to find the ETool Kit. If I click that, I can see 2D shapes, 3D shapes, attribute blocks, clocks, card decks. And as you scroll down, there's counters, counting sticks, dice, dominoes, fact triangles, fraction circles, money, line plot, number grids, number lines, hand balance, tangrams, and you get the point. There is a ton of tools on here. So today you get to just kind of click on these tools, see what they're about. If you just click and drag things from the bottom here, they'll pop up in there. I can change the color of my attribute shapes. I can change the size and the thickness, like that. Okay, so you're going to get the opportunity to play around with all these different tools. Now, if I want to go from one tool to the other, over here in the right-hand corner, where you see these two arrows kind of spinning in a circle, if you click that, it says, are you sure you want to clear objects and remove the eTools? Okay. And now they're gone. And I can click on my next tool. Last, you can also click on backgrounds, and you'll notice you can add in your own number lines. And it says a number line up to 25. 1 to 10. So if I do up to 25, it'll come on here, and then I could use this as a tool to solve my problems. So you can also take a look at some of these backgrounds. Have fun with the eTool Kit. Bye.